But people find it so difficult to get married in an age where there's no shortage of people. When we were younger, maybe there were 5 options. Out of them, we got married to 1. Now there are 20,000 options, and out of them, you are still not married. Subhanallah, why? There are so many reasons. But I tell you, when you interact in community and society, and you make yourself present, and you help and assist, there are fathers, there are brothers, there are people, they will see, they know, they watch, they will tell you, listen, brother, I'd like you to come home. And you don't know what is in store for you. What happened? He saw you. He knows this person every day is in salah. They are honest, they help, they are trying. And so what happens? Community is bonding through marriage. You got married by introduction because someone saw you, your friend maybe, you're an uncle in the masjid, mashallah, tabarak. I always say, bro, I have 8 daughters, subhanallah. I always look at the youngsters and I'm thinking to myself, this guy. And I think myself, this guy. Not because of anything, because that's the way. I have the eyes. As for those, you don't even know they exist. Some of them are married, by the way. Some of them are not.